Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. With that said, let's move on to this month's video where I'll show you how to make the viral Big Mac style smash burger tacos at home. Now try and say that 3 times in a row. Let's go. Here's what you'll need. I use the store-bought pre-cut lettuce, cabbage and carrot salad to save me some prep time. By the way, these amounts yields 4 servings. Start by combining all the sauce ingredients and mix till smooth. You can use more or less of each one, depending on your taste buds. Now take the ground meat and divide it into 4 bowls. About this big. Next, take a tortilla and press the meat down as thin as you can. You can make some flatbread on your own, and this video will show you how. Season with some salt and pepper. Over high heat, cook the taco meat side down for about 1 minute. Press down on it, flip, and then add the cheese and cover it till it melts and the bottom crisps up. You can use all American cheese, cheddar cheese, or if you want to go kosher, use vegan cheese. Now it's time to assemble. Place some lettuce, sliced or diced pickles, our sauce, and you're good to go. All that's left is to fold and enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you found it as tasty as I have. I just couldn't stop. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.